match 7 off with a sprint from those starting positions. Red Alliance very quickly getting now 4 pieces of coral at a level 4. That's 20 points towards the Red Alliance. Blue is mirroring them in action, but Red Alliance is putting up an amazing number of coral. This is Alliance 1 versus Alliance 2, match 7 of the playoffs at the PNW district. We see Future Martians first scoring another piece of coral, and then we're starting to remove that algae, creating more of that surface area. You have Jack in the Bot and their partners, 36-63, both focusing on an algae scoring strategy up in the net, as their other partner is focused on the coral. We see they do have some defense being played on them by 4180 of the Blue Alliance. The Iron Riders are not going to make their lives easy, but they're still putting up big numbers, and Blue is attempting to match them 1 coral by 1 coral. We have 488 over on the Blue Alliance doing just that, another 4 points for that game element, as well as Future Martians looking to get a piece of coral out of their robot. They do so effectively, and now they're back in this game. We'll see where they go next. 36-63, lobbing another piece of algae into the red net. That gives them another 4 points, followed right by Jack in the Bot doing the exact same thing. Jack in the Bot turning around, picking up a piece of coral, very quickly filling up that level 4 reef structure. 54 seconds left in the match. Blue with a lead of about 40 points, or red in the lead with about 40 points, 155 to 118. Jack in the Bot lobs another algae. Their net is getting pretty full at this point. We'll see if that makes it more difficult for them to score, as 36-63 tips back, corrects their stability over on the blue side. 88-96. Wolf Tech Robotics is making it very difficult for the 2 Blue Alliance robots to get back to one of their coral stations. As we hear the endgame cue, we'll see if these robots want to get back to that barge zone or continue their coral scoring game through the last few seconds they have here. All the algae removed from the Blue Alliance reef. Jack in the Bot very quickly chucking another piece of algae up into their net. We see Jack doesn't quite make it off the ground at the end of this match, but their partners, CPR, are up in the air. Hopefully get a score for that action, and 2 Blue Alliance robots making back into the barge zone, closing out match 7 of the playoffs. Robot fans, we have scores up on the board for match 7 of the PNW district. Alliance 1, the Red Alliance taking the win with 206 points. Blue putting up a great score, 154. Neither of these alliances are out of the game yet. Alliance 1